Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie Ferguson and you are watching Southern Crush at Home. I am so grateful that you are here today, my friend. If you like what you see, I would really love it if you would hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that I can let you know every time I have one of these videos that comes out. But listen, today I am so excited. I am going to be sharing with you how to make some amazing, beautiful paper roses out of these Dollar Tree lunch bags. So sit back, relax, and let me know in the comments what you think about this DIY.
All right, my friend, you are gonna need some of these Dollar Tree lunch bags. These are simple little brown school lunch bags. I remember taking my lunch in these as a kid. So you're just gonna tuck your hand down into the lunch sack, open it up, and take your other hand and start grabbing it and twisting it, just like I'm showing you here. So the top hand is just holding it in place in the center where you've pinched it, and the inside hand is just kind of going around and around like a claw. I'm gonna repeat this process over and over till we make about 10 of these simple paper bag roses. Once you get the hang of it, you're gonna be so obsessed. These are so fun and so easy. Once you have all of your roses, you're gonna need about 10 of them. You're gonna grab your Dollar Tree pizza pan. Now, this is just one option of how you can use these awesome lunch bag paper roses, but take your Dollar Tree pizza pan and this Dollar Tree Gather with Grateful Hearts plate. I just absolutely loved it. Using some hot glue, I'm just gonna add this little plate to the center of our Dollar Tree pizza pan. Now, you could decide that you want to decoupage some napkins on there first or paint your pizza pan first. It's completely up to you, but I just liked this the way that it is, knowing that I could always go back and fill in with the roses. So these are the paper bag roses. I'm just using a little hot glue to add them around the plate on top of the pizza pan. It couldn't get any more easy than this. Just smash them down, hold them down, and if there's any parts that are popping up on you, just use a little more hot glue. That's what the hot glue's for. Am I right? Or am I right? Listen, you guys, this is so stinking easy. I could have done this blindfolded. I hope that you will attempt this craft. I have so many ideas for these paper roses. This little pizza pan wreath is just one of them. I kind of thought it would be really fun to add these paper bag roses to a pumpkin and make a paper bag rose covered pumpkin. I still may do something like that for us. We'll see. The season is young. So let's see here. Now we are just gonna finish this up. Again, I think it's about 10 paper bag roses in total that we add to this pizza pan. And that little center can be adjusted. Again, if it's too tight, just pull up on it and you'll get a little more rose shape out of it, and just kind of pulling up and untucking some of that piece there. And I ended up having an extra rose, which of course is no problem. And your bag of lunch bags will probably make, oh my gosh, I don't know, I think there was like 30 bags in there. That's a lot of paper bag roses, my friend. All right, so I decided to embellish this with some amazing faux fall leaves, and I decided that it would be really cool to cut them in half. So I'm going to cut them in half and hot glue them around the outside edges of the pizza pan, just to kind of cover that metal part that you see that, you know, like I was saying, you could always paint that, you could decoupage it. but I'm just gonna cover it with these faux fall leaves. And again, I'm obsessed with the navy this year, so I thought I would just alternate between the kind of rustic brown color and the navy blue color that you see there. And just continue this all the way around the outside edge of the pizza pan to make it a really pretty wreath. All right, so at the last minute, I decided to add a little bit of navy blue acrylic paint to the tops of these paper bag roses. So it just takes a little bit of dry brushing. So you just add the little paint to your brush and dab it off on a paper towel or a piece of paper, and then just lightly dauber it onto the top of your paper bag roses for the most beautiful effect. Absolutely love this. I think you could go crazy with this effect and technique and use glitter, all sorts of different things for this. But I absolutely love the way this turned out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below if you think it looks easy enough to make one of these for yourself. I'm trying to show you kind of up close all the paint. If you love this DIY, I would really love to invite you to watch the next video here and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can know every single time something like this gets published.